Hello folks, thanks for watching today. My name's Matt and I'd like to walk you through one of our used campers today. This is a 2015, this is a Coleman 281 bunkhouse. It's double over double bunks. One of the most popular floor plans in a bunkhouse you could possibly get. So let's jump right in and take a look. We'll start at the front of this camper. It's got a power tongue jack, two 20-pound LP tanks come filled as part of the sale, as well as a battery. Moving along the side of this camper, it's fiberglass, so real easy to clean, nice smooth modern look. Nice large baggage doors here, and you've got a huge pass-through area, probably about double the width of most of your standard pass-through storage areas, so plenty of storage there. It's got stabilizers on all four corners. Frameless windows, guys, so instead of the weather seal being on the outside of this window where you get more of the black streaks, it's a cleaner, fresher look, as well as a tint value there. So a nice feature to have the frameless windows. A bunch more of those same windows here on our super slide where our dinette and couch is. Got your water hookups here, so we've got an exterior shower, hot and cold. We got some cable and satellite hookups as well. Got an extra door into the bathroom on this camper. Let's open it up so we can see what it looks like. So neat feature there, two entry doors. So say somebody needs to use the bathroom, but you don't want them going through your whole camper. You just send them right in through here, the bathroom. So neat feature there. Coming along the back side of the unit, of course, it's got your full-size spare tire with Paul Sherry cover. Little outside kitchen on this unit as well. Got your fridge out there and plenty of storage space. So that is a neat option to have. More of those frameless windows. So you got windows in the bunks, which we'll see shortly. Of course, a full power awning. Outside speakers as well. Let's take a look inside. We'll start in the bedroom. Queen master bedroom. Nice mattress on this unit. Got dual hanging closets, of course plenty of overhead storage as well. Customers left the the bedroom television here, so that will come with the unit, as well as the main TV. Of course you got your radio there. Looking at the slide, we've got nice leather style material for the fold out sofa, as well as the large U-shaped dinette with built-in cup holders. Nice big windows, letting plenty of natural light in. If we pan to the other side here, we can see our L-shaped kitchen. So nice big one-piece sink here, plenty of storage. Of course, your microwave, your 3-burner stove and oven. Two-way Norcold 6 cubic foot fridge here and freezer combo. Some extra storage here for a pantry. Put your canned goods, as well as an extra hanging closet, maybe for the kiddos. Double over double bunk beds with ladders, so plenty of space for kids as they get bigger. They can grow into them. And there's that bathroom we looked at. So stand-up style shower. Of course, your vanity and sink as well. And then plenty of room around the toilet so you won't be cramped as well. Once again, this is a 2015. This is a Dutchmen Coleman 281 bunkhouse. Thank you for watching today.